هاي يا جماعة، welcome to my channel. أنا مبسوطة قوي إن أخيرا عملت my YouTube channel. I'm very excited إن show you all the things that I'm gonna do. I'm gonna post. فسبسكرايب عشان تعرفوا الفيديوز اللي جاية هتبقى ايه وعن ايه. وأول فيديو هعمله النهاردة is wait for it Sephora haul. I can't wait to show you every product والshades بتاعته و how to use it. if you're interested, keep on watching. في الفيديو ده I'm gonna start with very exciting products و at the end هيبقى the very exciting products, so watch till the end. فأول product I'm gonna start with is the Urban Decay Wild West eyeshadow palette. خطيرة. Packaging, look at the colors. The colors are amazing. الألوان are very suitable for beginners. في those very simple matte colors, nudes if you want it for an event. في shimmers, في darker colors, you can make a smoky eye with it. وطبعا لو عايزين a pop of color في الجرين is amazing. وجماعة الشيدز دي كلها are gonna be trending in 2022. I'm gonna make a video عن the makeup trends للسنة الجاية. if you're not following, follow. if you're not subscribing, subscribe عشان تعرفوا the latest trends في الميك اب وعشان تعرفوا how to apply. عشان تعرفوا حاجات كتيرة. البرودكت اللي جاي is the set of Makeup Forever, the lipstick and lip liner. Both are the same shade. I love the packaging. I'm really excited to use it. هوريكم الليبستيك الأول. This is it and it's very tall. هقولكوا ليه. You open it like this. لون very beautiful color. بيليق على all the skin types. الشيد بتاعته رقمها 106 Gutsy Blush. وليه بقى دي طويلة؟ I'm gonna tell you. عشان to have more control. عشان you're gonna apply it كده تركبوها كده و to have more control. تمسكوه براحتكم. it's easy to apply with it. Packaging is very creative. والليب لاينر هو نفس اللون بس الشيد بتاعته رقمها 602. It's easy for beginners كمان if they want a lip liner and a lip color نفس اللون. The next product is very exciting. البرودكت ده هو the Too Faced Born This Way concealer. It's amazing. It's huge. Didn't really expect انه يبقى كبير كده. فالبرودكت كتير فيه. You can conceal, contour, highlight and retouch. والشيد بتاعته يعني I shopped it online I have an issue shopping online كشيدز. بخاف قوي بس literally shade هي نفس الشيد بتاعتي. gonna show you a swatch. وهو super coverage. from what I'm seeing here the coverage is great. Next product هو I used it a lot on my clients. بس حبيت أجرب another brand. Tarte setting spray. It stays for 16 hours. اللي أنا بستخدمه usually is the Urban Decay all nighter وخطير. It's really amazing. بيقعد كتير قوي والميك اب ما بيتغيرش. فقلت أجرب another brand عشان يبقى في diversity في الميك اب collection بتاعتي. I'm super excited for the next product عشان هي this set of 2 mascaras and an eyeliner بتاعت Tarte. So excited to use it as usual. The mascara that is I think more of natural mascara تانية اسمها Light Camera Lashes 4-in-1 mascara. فبتدي volume, length, it's very bold. and the eyeliner متحمسه له جدا عشان هو it's double ended في liquid and the pencil قدام. I'm so excited to use it. The next product I personally used it and خطير. I'm kind of restocking which is the Great Brow Basics from Benefit. حد عنده الست دي I don't think you're gonna need anything else for your brows. It has this cute little card اللي فيه tips and tricks بتاعت كل product في الست دي. فيها 3 kinds of products for the eyebrows. The first pencil is a double-ended kind of pencil. It's يعني one side فيه السبولي اللي هو you brush your eyebrows بيها, والسايد التاني you have the pencil نفسه اللي بترسموا بيه your eyebrows. لو انتوا عايزين تملوا your eyebrows بسرعة وبسهولة ف this is the one for you. The next one هو أكتر natural looking hair strokes. وfinally the finishing touch هو ال gimme brow. You just brush your eyebrows. It's very easy. ده literally كنت بحطه لو أنا مستعجلة ونازلة و I don't have time تبقى أقعد أرسم hair strokes. I just use that. It fills my eyebrows وبنزل على طول. I got this cool set فيها a treatment mask في ال healing oil ده. I didn't try it again I'm still excited and I tried. I'm gonna make a challenge for my very first video. اللي هيعد أنا قلت كام مرة I'm excited to use a product is gonna have I'm gonna feature her or him in my next video. The final product ده أكتر واحد أنا متحمسة له بقى في كل products دي عشان هي set of كذا product من نفس البراند. The next product is the Huda Beauty gifting calendar. هي شكلها حلو, شكلها لوحده حلو. I'm gonna show it to you. It's so exciting. For starters, let's open it. Ooh, it looks amazing. أحلى حاجة إن هي فيها numbers. I'm gonna start with number 1. Wow, this is the Huda Beauty lip balm. شكله خطير. Number 2 looks great. Number 3 perfume looks amazing. This is kind of rose gold, أكتر منها gold. It looks amazing. I love rose gold. The case and the perfume مع بعض, so I kind of take that احطها كده. cute, حلوة قوي. هتلاقوني in the next videos most probably لابساها على طول وانا بأبلاي my skincare or my makeup عشان الفيديو ما يطولش. ف I'm gonna try to wrap up. It's amazing. The 2-in-1 mascaras هنا كاتبين this side is for the volume وده side for the curl and length. ف can't wait to use it. Such a beautiful palette. بجد الباليت دي خطيرة و again for beginners دي حلوة جدا ان انتوا تبدأوا بيها. الشيدز very easy to use. That's beautiful, amazing, and I'm so happy I got it. I'm so excited for this one. It's the Wishful Honey Balm moisturizer. It really smells good. Moisturizer will scrub our travel size, but you can get it the full size. بس أنا قلت في الباكج دي أجربهم في الترافل سايز, و if I really like them أبقى أجيب the full size. ف ده السكراب. And finally is the hydrating mask from Wishful. I personally love those kind of masks. They're very hydrating. Let's see how effective it is, and I'm gonna let you know the review. By this, the video has come to an end. Can't wait to know what you think, and I can't wait to know what do you want more for the next videos. I'm thinking trying using these products and make a makeup look using these products. اتبسطت قوي عملت الفيديو ده. It's my very first video on YouTube. Like, share and subscribe if you like it, and thank you. Bye bye.